Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Delia, and I would highly appreciate if you guys click that subscribe button and join my family. So I know you can't really see like my eyes and stuff like that, but today I am doing a brow tutorial on how I do my brows. It was requested by a lot of people. A lot of people think my brows are nice and want to get them like this. You know what, to be honest, I have some good brow days and I have some bad brow days. Today just happened to be a good one, and guess what, I'm not going nowhere. So yeah. Oh, I just want to show you guys what lip gloss I'm wearing today. Today's lip gloss and lashes, these are the lashes. Today's lip gloss and lashes are from Opulence. This is the gloss that I'm wearing. I forgot the name, but I'll put it right here. And these are the AURORA lashes. Super cute. If you guys are interested in getting these lashes and this gloss, I'll leave their link down below. Unfortunately, I do not have a discount code, so yeah. But you guys go check them out anyway, show them some support. And if you want to see how I get my brows on fleek like this, then just keep on watching. So I'm taking my spoolie from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to be combing out my brows to the shape that I want them. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Dipbrow. I'm in the shade medium brown, and I'm just going to be outlining my brows. I always start with the bottom first, and then I do my top. When doing your brows, you want to have a light hand. I personally push down a lot when I'm doing the ends, but then when I get right into this part, I'm very like light-handed with it because I don't want it to be so dark. I want it to be like a faded effect. Also, you want to like brush out so it's not looking really harsh. So that's why you kind of see me like constantly brushing. When doing the top of my brow, I'm always harsh towards the tail and I'm light-handed in the front. Whatever is left on my brush is what I use to fill in, and you can always add more if you want a dark brow. Again, with whatever is left on my brush, I lightly fill in the front. It's very light because I want to give it like that faded effect, kind of like that ombre. So yeah, you want to have a really light hand with this part. Then I'm taking the e.l.f. eyebrow kit, and I'm going to be using the brown powder to help fill in a little bit more. Then I'm taking my Shape Tape concealer and a flat brush, and I'm going to be carving out my brows. I always start with the bottom. The lighting does get kind of weird here, so I might move around a lot. But yeah, I just carve out the bottom first, and then I do the top, and I blend out the concealer. Next, I'm taking the highbrow pen from Benefit, and I'm going to be putting that underneath just the arch to kind of give it like a highlight. Next, I'm taking my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara, and I'm going to be setting my brows with this, and it also gives them a little tint. So these are the finished brows. This is how I do my brows. They look a little light. I think it's because my lighting. Don't mind my face, don't mind my damn nails. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. It was requested, and if you were one of those that requested it, I hope you guys watch this and learn some tips. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button, like this video, share my videos, and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every single time I post a video. And I'll see you guys next time.